this is so weird. This whole vlogging thing is just a little bit strange, but welcome to my vlog channel, guys. First off, tomorrow is my birthday, so I have decided that I'm going to start vlogging for the whole of next year. It's a resolution of mine, so I'm planning to go to an event tonight to ring in the birthday. You know, I think the event that we're going to is going to be SOCA, so I plan to take you guys there with me. Yo, this is like really strange. It feels like me I talk to myself. Well, I am, but that's something that I'm used to doing, I guess. So where's that? Somebody here with me? So yeah, I just dropped off Fee and Sandrine at some party, which currently right now is going really lame. But that means that I might be going to SOCA by myself, which, I mean, it's going to be a little bit strange. I mean, yo, going to a party by yourself is not the coolest thing ever, especially when you have to like approach a girl and the whole whining thing and all that. It's really crazy. But what I'm going to do right now, I'm gonna get ready, well, finish getting ready, and drink a little bit of Moscato, you know, a little bit of pre-gaming, get a little vibes, and then I will call a cab, and then I will head there. So I guess I'll be seeing you guys later. Of course, later on tomorrow I'm going somewhere else, so I will fill you guys in more on what the vlog is really about, you know, why I call it what it's called, you know, stuck on an island. And yeah, cool, later. Well, as you guys can see, I'm having my first, well, my only glass of Moscato, and start sweat already. Sweating start. I am not a heavy drinker. I mean, this probably killed me over before I even get to the party, but yeah, so I'm gonna have this first, and then I will call a cab, and then we can get ready to hit the party and see what SOCA is all about. Cheers. Honestly, me don't feel like I should be going to the party right now because yo, I feel nice already, but I feel really nice already, but I'm about to call a cab. Jano, yo, cut this.
Hello, good night, okay?
Yeah, good night. Can I have a cab at going to Sabina Park, please?
So 6:10. 10 minutes, we got 1 for.
10 minutes? Alright, cool, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, I have no intentions of driving to the party because like the whole parking thing and, you know, the whole commotion and all that, I'm not into it. And plus I also want to go there and drink, you know, so I think the best choice is to actually, you know, take a cab going there and take a cab back home. So this might sound cliche, but if you're going out to drink, definitely ensure that, you know, you take a cab back or you have a designated driver. So I'm about to wait on a cab, and I guess the next time you see me, I'll be inside the cab, heading there. Oh man, I feel like I can't drop out of them shoes. Somebody's supposed to run me down. Uh-oh, you go catch me. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh man, this is bad. This is really bad. Like, I could have literally sneak in somebody at the party with me. No. 2 for 1 special. Yeah, so just reaching the car right now, heading to Sabina Park, so I'll see you guys there. Yo, my dog. Ready.
ready, 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 ready,
Link,
ready,
link,
ready,
like
ready,
you done
ready,
know.
ready, 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 Look how the sun now rays.
Doing a big on the radio, you know. So they are next stop right now, still on the way to the event right now. I'm on the taxi driver, you know. Pick up myself. Another change. Blessed here. So like we just come out of the taxi and like I'm super nervous as shit. Like a whole heap of girl there and people are gonna pre me. Like why the fuck not talk to the camera? But I didn't think that. Okay, so there's a ticket in here or some crap like that. Just get searched a while ago and I swear I feel like man hand almost got coming. Yeah, that was really strange, but whatever. So we're there at the entrance right now. Thank you, sir. So you have people that make glue. Where the entrance to the event is, I really don't know, and kind of awkward, but I'll go check. I'll go see if I can find it somewhere. I might smell like a jerk chicken. I really don't know, but one pretty event, you see me?
Here we go.
like one of the mug drinks or whatever it is. You guys have that mug drink? What you guys sell?
Shout out to Absolute Vodka.
For the girls in carnival nations. Here in this place, we see girls, we see sexy, we see curves. There is no place in this world with so much sexy, pretty girls. Moving to the loud sound and music vibe. Come along with me and you'll see the ride. Every time they move it, you'll see your bride. Carnival is here, let me be your guide. Love it when the ladies put their hands up high, 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 high. Love it when the ladies put their hands up high, 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 feel so alive with these girls. Watch them bodies, watch them curves. Carnival time, it's these words. Non-stop party, non-stop girls. Love it when the good vibe is all around. Love it when they girl them wine and go down. Everybody dance to the SOCA sound. Carnival is here when we run the town. Love it when the ladies put their hands up high, 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 high. Love it when the ladies put their hands up high, high, ladies.
Hey girl, bend your back, bubble panda, kick, bend your tack, everything shot. Hey girl, bend your back, bubble panda, kick, bend your tack, everything shot.
Hey girl, just wine and bend over. Giving to the beat of the soca. Do it all on tabletop on the sofa. Girls from Trinidad, girl from Europa, girl from Jamaica, girl from Toga. Bend so low so me can see your shoulder. Bumper spin like the wheel of a roller. Come your beauty, I'm the beholder. Love when you bend and you wine and watch over.
Rough ride.
Right in the bicycle, broke off, broke off. Right in the bicycle, broke off, broke off. Right in the bicycle, broke off, broke off. Right in the bicycle, broke off. Right in the bicycle, broke off, broke off. Right in the bicycle, broke off, broke off. Right in the bicycle, broke off, broke off. Right in the bicycle, broke off.
It's been a little
We do Jamaica, full of dancers. I still put down my work club and dancers. 2 pints that is shorty. She tell me she what you say? She won't tell my supervisor. I say I am there where I can't do. I need to go to the pharmacy, but I get the fun.
got the El Shaddai taxi for youth. Yeah, me.
Blue, black, and
So, we're about to head home right now.
Drive on there.
Enjoy the night, it was really good.
No one for Olympic
We might go home or do something else, I'm not really sure right now, but I'm going to do the shots there. Got back in from the event. I took a cab, which was a lot better because never have to deal with like, you know, coming out of the parking lot and the whole heap of traffic and, you know, the persons and stuff. So I just got back in. That event for me was really good. You know, a lot of beautiful girls. The energy was just intense. I would definitely go back to another one of those events. Definitely go back to another one of those events. But as I said, I left a little bit before it was done because I want to get rid of the traffic, and I have to tomorrow morning. Well, it's actually not my birthday, and tomorrow morning I want to go somewhere like 7 a.m. in the morning. So I am going to try to get some rest for that. But thank you guys for watching the vlog. I hope it was interesting for you. I hope you got to see a little bit about Jamaica. And remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. Keep the link.